Latest update, the sun is up, 7 a.m. Sirens are going off again. You can see my favorite hike, the sun is rising. Come on, white balance. Boom, Hawaiian sunrise. Good morning, America. Looks pretty calm, but the problem is that this is a canal which connects down to the ocean, down that way, and the house would be significantly flooded if something comes. And because Kailua is marsh, it's a little bit lower than everywhere else, so we're definitely in evacuation zone. 7 a.m., you hear the sirens. Here we go. I'll give you another panoramic view. Let the white balance kick in. You can hear the sirens going off. You can see the pillboxes over there. And if anything is going to be coming, it'll be coming from way down there. Here we go.